Yo, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making some vocal choirs in a crazy melody using a plugin called HollyWood Choirs by EastWest. We're going to be using the Diamond Edition, but this is a really high quality vocal engine here that you can use in your beats to get some serious choirs if you need that. And it's also used a lot for film scoring. But let's jump right in and take a look at it right now. Okay, so here it is right here. You can go on Sweetwater and get it for the half off right now. So this is what it looks like. It's the Diamond Edition. There's a Gold Edition that's cheaper and the different editions, but this one has everything in it. So it's definitely a beast, but we're going to take a look at that right now. So this is a plugin called Play, and when you open it up here, it shows you different libraries. There's EastWest has a bunch of different libraries that you can get for this, but this one's strictly for choirs, this HollyWood choir right here. So as you can see, you have a men's choir and a women's choir section here, and you have different sections. So when you click on these different ones right here, it'll load it up. And then, I mean, you can go through all the different ones that they have here, and these are like the different sounds that they're going to be making. You have the different vowels and things you can go through like that. So there's lots of different things and different settings you can go through to get the specific kind of choir sound that you're looking for. And then you have all the same things for the women's as well. Let's try this one. This one's pretty crazy. It's like an epic kind of one, but depending on how hard you hit the piano or the key, if you hit the velocity like all the way up when you're hitting the key, it's gonna make it like scream like that. So this is just the browser. You can also go into the mixer here and you can mix the different channels that make up this certain sound. So then you got your player over here. So from the player, you can control like what mics you want to be heard. So it's on the main one right now, and you can switch between these different modes. You can get a close-up sound versus the main. Alright, so yeah, if you want to use main, you can go ahead and mix these different levels together and get it to sound how you like it to sound if you want to go that deep with it. You have reverb options right here. You have different kind of reverbs that you can use and different things like this. There's like a stereo doubler. So you have a couple different effects that you can use here. And then you can mess with like the envelope and everything like that as well. So really cool thing here that we haven't looked at yet is this multi section right here. So in the multis, if you click this button up here, you can actually type in the different words that you want it to say, and you can pick different phrases or things like that. You can go between like different languages, or you have like English here. If you click on like the phrases down here, there's like different phrases you can go through and have it say different things that they have preloaded for you, or you could like type in something you want here. The trick right here is you're gonna have to like separate some of like the longer words to make it sound right. So let's say, for instance, I wanted this to say, I'll probably have to do something like this. So let's play around with this and see what it sounds like. So for every space in here, it's going to be another tap on the keyboard. So you hold down the first note and it's going to say the first part for that long, and then you play the second one, it's going to play the second part, third, fourth, and all the way through. So you have to play around with this a little bit and get it to sound right, but you can get some pretty cool effects with it doing it this way. So I actually want to put some text in here and see if I can get it to go with a melody that I have in here already. So let's play this and see what we got going. We're going to copy over the MIDI from the strings and try to use these same octaves here for this. You can't tell right now it's using a ton of CPU, so that is one thing that you'll have to take into consideration before considering purchasing this plugin. We're just going to add a case of Epic in here and see if we can make something cool happen. Alright, I'm going to try to layer this another octave as well. Mind you, there is no effects on either of these, and this is how good they sound together already. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the tutorial on the EastWest HollyWood Choir Diamond Edition. So if you like that plugin and you want to pick it up, you can get it half off right now. I know it's kind of a pricey one, but you're literally getting like studio quality, grade A quality that they're literally using in films and different things like that all the time. Anyways guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and smash a like on it for me and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading daily tutorials that you're not going to want to miss out on. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.